Hi everyone, it's Demetrius and welcome back to my channel, The Plans It All. Fall is officially here, and if you have not gotten into the spirit or you don't feel ready or you don't have your mind right for fall yet, don't worry. Today, I will be sharing some simple tips that's going to help you get into the mindset and the spirit of fall and making the most out of this cozy season. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is create you a fall inspired mood board. A mood board helps you visualize different things, and in this case, it's going to help you get a visual of things that inspire you for fall. All right. So, and it also helps set the tone and help get you to stay motivated throughout the season. As a visual learner myself, I found that visuals are key to sparking my creativity for me, but it also helps guide my thinking. Fun fact, did you know that 65% of the general population are visual learners and that the brain processes visual images faster than it does text? So, in that case, a mood board can be a very powerful tool to help you focus and get you inspired for the fall. Some different apps that you can use to create your fall inspired mood board is Canva and Pinterest. I personally like them both, but Pinterest might be a little bit easier for some folks if you don't want to learn how to use Canva. But Pinterest, just search for different fall inspirational things, pin it to a board. You can title the board Fall Vibes or Fall Mood Board 2024. But it's an easy way to have this in your hand and constantly go back to refer to. You don't have to print anything out. You don't have to draw anything. Just simply go onto your Pinterest account and look at your fall inspired mood board. And it's that simple. The next thing you want to do is plan ahead by using your planner. So y'all know how the holidays can get hectic, busy, chaotic, stressful. So some of the things that I think that you all can start looking at is some important dates for the fall. Y'all know children are gonna have a lot of days off coming up. You got your fall break in October, you got your Thanksgiving break in November, and then they have their Christmas and New Year's break in December and the early part of January. So what you want to do is you want to start projecting those things like, do you need a plan for childcare? Do you need a plan for camps because maybe you can't get off work and you don't have a babysitter, so now you need to look at your local community and see where these camps are going to be that your children can attend. And also, you want to start getting your PTO in, right? So if you don't want to send your kids to camp or if you don't have a babysitter, put your PTO in. This is the perfect time to start projecting those dates. All right. And by having all these things mapped out, you got your vacation, your Christmas family trips, you got maybe work deadlines, maybe you have some end of year spending that you need to do at work, or like I said, different school events. So you want to start preparing for those different dates now so that you can cut back on some of the stress, right? So by having all this stuff mapped out in your planner, you'll be more organized, you'll be less stressed, and you'll be ready to truly enjoy the fall season. All right, another thing that you can do to help change your mindset and get you in the mood for the fall, is to decorate your home with some fall decor. All right, so for fall, I don't like to put a whole lot out. I'm very minimalist when it comes to fall. I put out a candle, a pumpkin here and there, some wreaths. But decorating your space to help get you in the mood or the spirit of fall does not have to be elaborate or fancy, guys. My thing is Christmas. I like to decorate the entire house for Christmas. I even put up 3 Christmas trees. But for fall, I like to be minimalist. Minimalist about it, right? You can find some cheap stuff for fall at the Dollar Tree. So, like I said, nothing fancy, just a few things here and there. Do you guys? And like I said, it does not have to be elaborate. All right, the next thing you want to do is swap out your summer clothing for your fall clothing. Now, this really depends on the region that you live in. All right. It's time to put away your summer clothing. I mean, your swimsuits, your sandals, your shorts, your flip-flops, and store them in a plastic bin, maybe in an attic somewhere or wherever you have the capacity to do so. And pull out those boots, those sweaters, those jackets. I love fall. So now, if your closet has the space to store all your seasonal clothing, then good for you. But if you're someone who doesn't have a large closet or share your closet with your spouse, pulling out those things can be very helpful because guess what? It allows space, to truly pull out your next set of seasonal clothes, your fall items, and your winter clothes. Now, I live in Central Georgia, and I'm on the East Coast, so I get all 4 seasons. Okay, but even if you do have the space to store all your seasonal clothing items, just pull it out. There's no reason to have clutter or have your closet packed jam smack with all the seasonal clothes if you don't have to. All right, but it also will allow you to help quickly find those fall items that you may need in the mornings when you're getting ready for work. You don't have to waste time looking for this, looking for that. It's already there, guys. And not only does this transition help you keep your closet organized, but it also helps your closet be seasonally appropriate. All right, and it also sets the mood of the season by helping you fully embrace the fall vibes. All right, and the last thing I wanted to definitely add to the list, because it's very important, is to assess and reevaluate your goals, guys. We have 3 months left within the year of 2024. Go back to your goals that you set for yourself beginning of the year or throughout the year. Reassess those goals, make adjustments, guys. This is the perfect time to look at that, reassess what you're doing, reassess, what your goals are, if you need to change anything. All right, different things that you need to do now to help you reach your goals by the end of the year. You always want to make sure that you are looking or reviewing your goals throughout the year. But like I said, we have 3 months left, guys, right? And give yourself grace. If there's some things on your list of goals for the year that you're not able to obtain, and you know that you're not going to be able to obtain it now that we only have 3 months left, give yourself some grace. Put it on next year's list of goals. All right, don't feel bad about it. Don't, you get a whole nother day, you got time to reach those goals. So don't get down on yourself. But I wanted to include that into this list of things because I want you guys to start thinking about, oh shoot, I only have 3 months left. Keep this on your radar. Okay, this is something important if you are really and truly serious about your goals and your plans for the year. And there you have it. These simple steps will help get you in the fall mood and also help you stay productive in this cozy season. And I hope these tips inspire you and help you make the most of fall. Drop a comment and let me know how you're getting ready for the fall. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tips on how to be organized and inspired. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.